everyone take out a 165 page number, one page. We are going to do that. We are going to start that with one page. Okay. If you see that in one page, look at the pie chart and fill in the blanks. Dash fruit is like the most.
Mango.
Mango.
Okay, since mango covered the most of the area, so answer is mango here. Yes, mango. Okay. Dash is like the least.
Cherry.
Cherry. As you can see, cherry का area सबसे कम है, तो cherry. Okay. Number 3 is not 1, 2, 3. It's ABC. Wait, this is ABC. A, B, and it's C. Okay. People like dash and dash more than lychee. लीची से ज्यादा क्या पसंद
Mango
करते हैं?
and orange.
लीची से ज्यादा मैंगो को पसंद करते हैं और ऑरेंज को. Mango and orange. Okay. Now D part is dash likes apple.
Nobody.
There is no for apple, no but, no one. No one likes apple. Question number E now. Excuse me. Dash is like more than cherry but less than oranges. Cherry से ज्यादा है, oranges से कम है. What is it? Lychee. Okay. Now wait a minute. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is area and perimeter. Before we start that chapter, I would like to ask the question from the same chapter itself. See, you told me that mango is liked by most of the students. You told me that mango is liked by most of the students. Why do you say that? Can you tell me the reason? Why do you say that? And mango is liked by most of the students.
Ma'am, because mango has the most area.
Very good. Because he said mango has more area. Why do you say cherry is liked by least number of students?
Because it has less
area.
area.
It has a very less area.
Yes. So you said a word here, area. What does that mean? You said a word here. It is having more area and it is having less area. What does that word area mean? Tell me. Area से कुछ समझ आया? Do you understand something by this name, area? We are going to start this chapter only. That is perimeter and area. So let's see what is area. See better.
And the surface covered.
Not reading from the book. Not reading from the book, Noel. No need to read from the book. Without reading from the book, you have to answer me if you knew it. Where is it? Yeah. Yes, suppose this is one book. Okay, this is one book. The area of this book is like this part. This 2D shape. This is a rectangular in shape. Rectangle shape की है ये. Okay, so area is whatever inside it. Like this part is known as its area. ये इसका क्या है? Area. Okay, this is only known as area. Inside material of this book, like not this inside material, like this inside material. This part. This part. If I kept it somewhere, how much area will it cover? Now let me show you another book. Give me a minute. Okay. As you can see, I have two books. This one and this one. Which is having more area if I ask you? Which is having more area?
Ma'am, the book.
Which color one is having more area?
Ma'am, blue. Ma'am, blue.
Blue color one has a more area. This one is having a less area. Okay, both are rectangular in shape, but they are having different areas. So this is only area and perimeter which we are going to study now. Okay, we are going to study area and perimeter now. Okay. A new chapter we are going to start. The chapter number is 11, area and perimeter. Chapter 11, area and perimeter. Understood? Okay, wait. You know about shapes? Suppose this is which shape? This is which shape? This is which shape?
Rectangular.
Rectangle.
It is a
Rectangle.
Yes. This is which shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle. And this is which shape?
Square.
Square. Very good. Okay. Now we have the area. Area is known as this part. This part is known as area. This part is known as area. This is known as its area. ये इसका area कहलाता है. Okay. This part is known as its area. This part is known as its area. ये area कहलाता है आपका. Okay. If this is known as the area, and please switch off your mics. Tanmay, Arjun, Ayushi, please switch off your mic. Now Tanmay is left. Okay. So area covered is this one, and this one. These are the area covered inside it. Inside इसके अंदर कितना area होता है? इसके अंदर कितना area? इसके inside में कितना part है? That is known as its area. Okay. अच्छा, area सिर्फ these are symmetrical figures. इनका कोई shape है. You can take out even the area of the asymmetrical shape like this. This is also have some area. This shape is also having some area. This is the area of this. Okay. Okay. Now let us start the exercises. Okay. For the exercises, you have to take out page number. Wait. Page number 130. Take out page number 130 in your maths book. Okay, maths book, page 130. Maths book, page number 130. Take it out. Open your cameras first of all. I can see many of you, all of you are switching off your cameras. Without your cameras on, I'll not teach you. We will do this exercise in book on itself. Exercise 11.1 we will do in book itself. In maths book. We will do it in maths book itself. Thus. Okay, exercise is very easy. Take the shapes which has bigger area. You have to take the shapes which have bigger area. For example, the first one is like this. A big triangle and a small triangle. So which will cover more area, A or figure B? Which one?
A. Ma'am, A.
A1. You can take it also and write here also. उसके नीचे जो space है, you can write here. Triangle A has more area.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do this in book.
What is written here? What is written here, Harsh?
Ma'am, book.
So where we have to do this?
Ma'am, book.
Very good.
Ma'am, book.
Okay, next question is a rectangle, this one, and a rectangle, this one. This is A and this is B. So which has more area? Which has bigger area? Bigger area, more area नहीं लिखना है. Bigger लिखना
Ma'am,
है.
A. Ma'am, A.
A. So you will write here rectangle A has bigger area. Rectangle A has bigger area. Okay, now the third one. Third one is again a triangle like this. Triangle A and triangle B. So which has more area?
Ma'am, A.
A.
Ma'am,
Again,
A.
triangle A has bigger area. Triangle A has bigger area. Okay. Now see this one like this and like this. So which has bigger area?
B. Ma'am,
B.
B.
So you will write B.
Ma'am, B.
Figure B has bigger area.
Ma'am, done.
Do it jaldi se. हो गया? Okay, now next page. Okay, now we will start next exercise 11.2. Okay, before starting, wait a second. Let's do exercise 11.2. What is in that exercise actually? See, draw a figure, this one. Actually, it is this one, this exercise. As you can see here, this one. Okay, you have to tell what is given to you. Just let me unmute you all. Who joined in right now? So many students. Oh, I have just lost it. Who joined right now? I think Ayushi. Okay, as you can see this figure here, as you can see here. So what is given in which figure? Draw a figure which has a lesser area and greater than your figure. Then you can draw any shape you like. Okay, so this figure is given to you. It is having 6 squares. 6 squares or 8 squares? I think 8. इसमें
Ma'am,
8
A.
squares. It is
Ma'am, A.
having 8 squares. Now you have to draw one figure which is having less area than this. Which is having less area than this. Switch on your cameras, everyone. Keep your cameras on. Huh.
Ma'am, this is a graph paper.
No, this is not a graph paper. This is just a block, simple blocks. It is given in your book. Graph paper, I'll show you afterwards. Okay. So these are 8 columns here. 8 blocks you have covered. This area is covered 8 blocks of equal sizes. Now you will draw. Now you have to draw one more figure, and it should and उसका area जो है इस वाले से कम होना चाहिए. So less area है तो you can draw any 7 boxes. आप 7 boxes भी कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. You can even draw 6 boxes. You can draw even 5 boxes, as much as you can. If you want to draw 7 boxes, you can draw 7 boxes and shade it. That's it. Okay, and right here it will have less area. Lesser area actually. It will have lesser area. And in next one, what you have to do, you have to draw the figure which is having greater area than this one. So that means 8 hai, you can cover 9 blocks. You can even cover 10 blocks. 2, 4, 6, 8. Like this. You can cover even 10 blocks. Do it quickly. Jaldi se karo. बहुत easy hai. and it will have greater area. इसके नीचे लिख देना it will have
Ma'am, done.
greater area. Do it quickly, जल्दी से.
Ma'am, we have to done in the notebook.
Yes. Notebook नहीं. Who said notebook? Wait. Maths book. Wait, sorry. You have to do it in maths book. Maths book में you have
Ma'am, we
to do it.
can also do it in the graph paper because I have
नहीं,
graph
सिर्फ
paper.
मैथ्स बुक में करना है बेटा. ग्राफ पेपर की बात कहाँ से आ रही है बार बार? I didn't say anything about the graph paper, where to do graph. I haven't said anything about graph paper. नहीं, ग्राफ पेपर में करो इसको. विराट, ऋतिकेश, तन्मय, प्रतिष्ठा, निहित, लक्ष्य, हर्ष, वीडियो ऑन करो. Keep your videos on.
Also, I have done.
Who asked you to do it? Okay, now let's start the question number B. This was question A, and question number B we are going to start. Okay, so count the number of squares and write the area for each figure. Just give me a minute. Let me show you this question. This is a graph paper. You can find it at the end of the classmate notebook. जो आती है आपकी साइंस की क्लासमेट नोटबुक आती है, उसके सबसे लास्ट पेज पर मिल जाएगा आपको. एक्सक्यूज मी. या फिर आपकी ब्रदर या सिस्टर की किसी ग्राफ कॉपी रखी होगी, उसमें भी मिल जाएगा आपको. ठीक है. So in last period we will start doing it. Last period में करेंगे हम इसको. Okay.
What,
Graph
ma'am?
paper.
Ma'am, please tell again.
बेटा ये ग्राफ पेपर होता है हर्ष. Listen carefully at once. This is a graph paper. You need it in the last period, so you be ready with the graph paper. Graph paper नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, आपके पास मैथ्स नोटबुक है, वो जिसपे लाइंस मैथ्स वाली ड्रॉ होती थी जो आप पहले करते थे, वो ले लेना. जिसके पास ग्राफ पेपर नहीं है, डोंट बॉदर कि इतना डिफिकल्ट ऐसा वो नहीं करना कि मुझे ग्राफ पेपर चाहिए ही चाहिए. डोंट से लाइक दैट. ओके. ग्राफ पेपर इफ नहीं भी है इन केस आपके पास, तो यू कैन यूज अ मैथ्स नोटबुक. वो मैथ्स नोटबुक आती थी जिसमें आप 1 2 3 लिखते थे, डबल लाइनिंग वाली. आप वो यूज
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
सकते हो. वो वाली कॉपी अगर आपके पास है, उसका एक पेज नीडेड है बस. ठीक है. ग्राफ मिल जाता है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं मिलता है, इट्स ओके. यू कैन टेक दैट नोटबुक, मैथ्स नोटबुक. और वो भी नहीं है तो हम हिंदी वाली कॉपी. 11.2 क्वेश्चन बी इज दिस वन. Count the number of squares and write the area for each figure. You have to count here the number of squares and area for each figure. See, one square here, if you say one square here, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो ये 6 2 से 12 हो गया. Stop it, Fahad. एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ, पहले आई शुड स्टॉप इट. ओके, 12 हो गया. ये यहाँ तक सारे 12 हो गए हैं, यहाँ तक ये 12 आ गया है. 12. नाउ 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total, what is the area? What is the area of this figure? What is the area of this figure? What is the area of the figure? 18.
Ma'am, 18.
So you will write here, figure A has an area of 18 squares. ऐसे do others. बाकी सारे भी करो जल्दी से. Complete it. जल्दी से complete it.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, we have to do in maths book or graph book.
मैथ्स बुक ग्राफ बुक की बात कहाँ से आई है बेटा अभी? I told you graph you need in the last period. अभी तो मैथ्स बुक में करना है इसको. If I'm showing you the book page, that means you have to do in book. That's it.
I'm done.
Okay, now discuss the second one. Okay, second one may there are how many squares? Tell me.
34.
34. देखो 6 है 7 और ये 2 6 2 are 12. यहाँ तक they are 12. Okay, 12 यहाँ तक हुए हैं और 12 यहाँ तक होंगे. 12 here and 12 here. Okay, 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21 20. See, 12 12 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34. So answer will be 34 squares. Figure B has an equal area of 34 squares. Figure B has an area of 34 squares. Please switch off your mics. Who is speaking? Okay, now figure C. Figure C has how area of how much?
Ma'am, 28.
It is having the
28.
area of C. If you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. If you can see here, the area it will cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here नीचे और 6 ऊपर. 6, 6, 12. And similarly here, 12 this side and 12 this side. तो हो गया total 24. और 24 और 4 ये. कितना हो गया total? 28.
Ma'am, 28.
When it will cover 28 squares, beta देखो, when it will cover 28 squares, when it will cover 28 squares, the whole this area will be formed. Okay. Okay. Figure D has an area of dash squares. Figure D has an area of dash squares. See, 1, 2, 3, these 3, 4, 5, 3 to 5. 3 and 2, 5. 5 ये हो गए and 6. 5, 6, 11. 11, 12, 13. 13 and 14, 15. So what will be the answer here? 15. What will be the answer here? 15. It will be covering the area of 15 squares. Understood? Do it jaldi se. Those who have not done it, just complete it quickly. Okay, so now in
Ma'am, I
next
have
period,
done.
question C, we need a graph. For question C, we need a graph. See, question C, it is written on a graph paper, draw shapes having the following areas. So we need a graph for that. If you don't have a graph, use maths notebook. जो lining वाली maths notebook आती है वो use कर लेना. और lining notebook नहीं है तो हिंदी वाली पे ही मैं करवा दूंगी. You have to make vertical lines on it. That's it. Okay, so the meeting is going to be over soon. So in next period, we'll complete till exercise 11.3. 11.3 तक complete करना है हमको ये आज. Okay. Meeting is going to be over soon. We'll discuss question C in the next period. Today in the last period we are having.